Guessing who people vote by their looks.
Trump voter. Trump voter. Okay. Tesla. That's a fucking Trump voter. Kamala voter. Blue hair. Yep. Kamala voter 100%. Trump voter. Yeah. Kamala, Kamala voter. Siis Kamala voter. Come on. Let's see. Kamala voter and broken windshield. Why are they opening the door? Just drive closer to the fucking box. Trump voter. Oh, Tesla. Yeah, that's a Trump voter. Oh. Kamala voters. Oh, Trump voter. Damn, this is Giga Chat. A selfie. Trump voter. Has to be. Kamala voters. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Kamala voter. The way she walks. Okay. Yeah, Kamala voter. Yeah. Oh my god. Kamala voter, yeah. It's obvious. The way she's talking. Trump voter. Kamala voter. Trump voter. Yeah, another Trump voter. Trump voter. Yep. Come on now. Look at him. Kamala voter and two Trump voters. Kamala voter. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh my god, I thought she's going to put the phone in there. Why is she using the phone? You have fingers, lady. Why are you using the phone? Two Kamala voters. Now that's a Trump voter. Giga Chad. Kamala voter. Two Trump voters. Yeah, Kamala voter. Yeah. Harris voter. Oh my god, come on. It's not that hard.